Best altcoins to buy now. Exploring cryptos worth watching for wealth building. Spotting the next big opportunity can feel like searching for a needle in a digital haystack. From groundbreaking decentralized networks to tokens designed for cross-border transactions, each project promises something unique. Internet Computer, ICP, is transforming how we use decentralized applications. Cronos is expanding DeFi. Theta is redefining content streaming. Terra has shaken up the stablecoin world, and Cardano offers an eco-friendly alternative to traditional proof-of-work systems. Yet, amidst these powerful contenders, Cubetics, $TICS, is fast rising as the best altcoin to buy now. Designed with everyday users in mind, Cubetics is more than just a new face. It's an innovation-packed project with accessibility at its core, especially for users looking for seamless crypto management. As we dive into the details of each of these coins, keep a close eye on Cubetics, which has launched an impressive pre-sale that's attracting crypto enthusiasts far and wide. Here's why this up-and-coming altcoin is stirring the waters, alongside some other heavy hitters in the market. 1. Cubetics, a game-changer in crypto management as the best altcoin to buy now. The Cubetics wallet isn't your standard crypto wallet. It's a sleek, all-encompassing solution that's designed to meet you on any device, whether it's iOS, Android, or desktop. Built as the central hub of the Cubetics network, this wallet prioritizes accessibility and control, giving users a seamless way to handle their $TICS tokens and other digital assets. The design isn't just user-friendly, it's intuitively crafted for beginners and experts alike. In a world where crypto management can feel overwhelming, the Cubetics wallet simplifies everything, making it clear why Cubetics is being heralded as the best altcoin to buy now. But that's not all. Cubetics is in pre-sale phase 8, and excitement is mounting. With each new phase, prices climb by 10%, with the final phase set for a 20% boost. Right now, $TICS is priced at $0.0212, and over 2,000 holders have already jumped on board, raising over $2 million. If you're thinking of getting in, do it now. A $500 investment at the current rate secures about 23,584.91 TICS tokens, and as the pre-sale wraps up, the price could surge to 25 cents. If Cubetics follows some bold projections and hits $10, that $500 could soar to approximately $235,000, and at $15, it might even reach around $353,000. With this kind of potential, it's easy to see why Cubetics stands out as the best altcoin to buy now. 2. Internet Computer, the backbone of decentralized applications. Internet Computer, ICP, takes blockchain technology beyond just financial transactions. Developed by the Dfinity Foundation, ICP aims to build an entirely decentralized internet, allowing developers to create and deploy software without reliance on centralized systems. This isn't just revolutionary for the tech-savvy. It's a vision for a truly open internet that empowers users everywhere. ICP's potential for transforming how we use decentralized apps is precisely why it deserves a spot on this list. 3. Cronos, expanding the reach of decentralized finance. Cronos, the native cryptocurrency of the Crypto.com ecosystem, is focused on expanding decentralized finance, DeFi. With its Ethereum virtual machine, EVM, compatibility, Cronos enables developers to easily port their dApps onto its platform, reaching Crypto.com's global user base. Cronos' dedication to accessible DeFi services is setting new standards for financial inclusion, solidifying its place in this list of standout projects. 4. Theta, revolutionizing content streaming. Theta is on a mission to change the way we experience video streaming. By allowing users to share their bandwidth, Theta reduces streaming costs while increasing video quality. This innovative approach to content delivery isn't just theoretical, it's actively working with platforms to deliver a smoother, more reliable streaming experience. Theta's forward-thinking solution for a common problem makes it an easy addition to this list. 5. Terra, bringing stability to crypto with a twist. Terra, the protocol behind the Luna token, focuses on stablecoins pegged to various fiat currencies. The Terra blockchain underpins its ecosystem, ensuring stability and adaptability in a market that's known for volatility. This commitment to providing reliable, stable value assets has made Terra indispensable to those seeking more predictability in crypto, which is why it's featured here. 6. Cardano, the eco-friendly blockchain pioneer. Cardano was built with sustainability in mind, using a unique proof-of-stake consensus algorithm to achieve energy-efficient operations. By balancing security, scalability, and eco-consciousness, Cardano offers a greener approach to blockchain technology. In a market becoming increasingly aware of environmental impacts, Cardano's eco-friendly focus is a key reason why it stands out in this list. Final thoughts. Based on the latest research, the best altcoins to buy now include Cubetics, ICP, Cronos, Theta, Terra, and Cardano. Each of these projects brings something unique to the table, but Cubetics, $TICS, with its wallet and ambitious presale, is especially compelling. For those considering a new investment, this is a rare chance to get in early on a coin with a promising roadmap. Don't sleep on this opportunity. Cubetics is well positioned to be the financial empowerment tool you've been waiting for. With prices increasing every week, it's high time to make your move on the best altcoin to buy now.